Trio can be easily deployed on multiple UC platforms simultaneously. This means it can register to open SIP call platforms such as Polycom's, Avaya, Cisco, and BroadSoft, to name a few, as well as unified communications platforms such as Skype for Business and Office 365, and video as a service ecosystems such as Zoom or BlueJeans. Connect to any of them with just one solution. The Trio has the ability to register to multiple platforms simultaneously, which allows your administrator to configure your Polycom Trio to take advantage of the ecosystems available to you. Here you see Polycom Trio registered to Skype for Business as the phone's primary platform. It's also registered to Polycom DMA, Zoom, and BlueJeans. For pre-scheduled meetings, using Microsoft Outlook is even easier. Simply join the meeting by touching Join. Polycom Trio understands the various dialing strings and will use the correct platform to place the call. To join a Zoom call manually, touch the Zoom icon and enter the conference ID. To join a BlueJeans call manually, touch the BlueJeans icon and enter the meeting ID. Using a hybrid mix of platforms is easy and simple with Polycom Trio. To learn more about Polycom Trio, visit www.polycom.com/trio.